Hey, welcome back to my channel, and those of you that are new, welcome. Thanks for taking the time to visit my channel. And today I quickly just wanted to show you how to make some potato salad. And what I did was I took some potatoes and I quartered them, and then I cubed them. I cut them into smaller pieces, okay, like this. And these are the quarter pieces. And what I did was I took the smaller ones, okay, and I cut them just like this. Okay, I don't like mine cut too large because I want them to cook pretty quickly. And the larger ones that I quartered, I'm going to keep them because I want to use them for potato wedges later on. I want to make some potato wedges out of these. So, again, we've got the water here going. Okay, we're going to turn that on. And we're going to add some salt. Let's use this side. Okay, we're going to add some salt to this water. Okay, not too much, just enough. Maybe about a tablespoon. I'm going to just pour that in my hand. Tablespoon. Okay, not too much. Maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons. Okay, and then that's so that the potatoes can, while they're cooking, can get a little bit of salt, so you don't have to add any salt later on. Okay, you're going to stir that, and depending how much potato salad you're going to make, I'm only going to make enough for one person because the only other person here doesn't like potato salad, so I'm just going to make enough for myself. Okay, maybe that's about 2 cups of diced potatoes. I think I'm going to cut up a little bit more so that I can have some for maybe tomorrow also, or the day after, and take some to work. This would be perfect, a perfect potato, recipe if you want to take it cold for lunch, or something easy and fast for dinner as a side dish. And I think I'm going to cut up a few more pieces so that I can make a little bit more potato salad. And guys, I just want to tell you how much I enjoy reading the comments. Every time I get a comment, I get really excited. I also respond to all the comments. So if you send me a comment, I'm going to respond. If I'm enjoying the likes when you like my video and you share it, I really enjoy that. And I'm very happy to see the interaction in the comment section. Okay, just keep it up. I'm enjoying that, and we'll be back. Alright, so we've cooled our potatoes. They're nice and cool. Okay, we've got a little bit more in here that we're going to pour in here. Okay, so now we chopped up some celery, some red onion, and a little bit of roasted red pepper, and this comes in a small glass jar in the grocery store. It's already roasted for you, but if you want to roast your own red peppers, that's fine. But it saves time if you buy it already done. Okay, or you can just use the raw red bell pepper. Okay, it depends on the taste that you're trying to achieve. Alright, so I've got my bowl over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make, first I'm going to make the dressing. So it's going to be about 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, so I'm just going to eyeball it because I'm not making that much potato salad. Okay, so about 1/3 of a cup. Right, and about tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, this is just plain white vinegar. Okay, and you're gonna just mix this together. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna use my whisk. I have a small whisk around here somewhere. Yep. I'm gonna use this. Alrighty. Okay, this will be quicker. Now, sometimes I'm able to find, well, I haven't found it this year, I'm not sure if Kraft makes it, I don't remember the brand, but it's the same companies that make your salad dressings. Sometimes you find in your store that they'll have the dressing for potato salad already made, or macaroni salad, and all you have to do is, use that and maybe add a little bit more of what you like to it. But I found it a few years ago, but I haven't been able to find it since. Alright, I'm just going to taste this. Alright, and I like the with the vinegar taste and parts in it. Alright, I don't want to add too many onions because I made this recently with macaroni salad, and I also used celery. I didn't use the red peppers though. I used celery, onions, and green pepper, and it like really took over. It was too strong, the taste. So I don't want to overpower the salad dressing with that. Now you can also dice mince it very, very small, your vegetables that you're putting in here. They don't have to be, or you can make them larger. It depends on you. Alright. Then I'm gonna add my potatoes. Add a little bit first. Can get rid of this. Alright, so let me know in the comments if you make potato salad for the summer, if you make it as a picnic food, if you make it for dinner as a side dish, if you make it for lunch, to take a nice easy cold lunch to work, or if you make it as a something to bring to a get together where everyone shares and brings a dish. If you do that, let me know. And I'm also interested to know how you make your potato salad. Everybody has their own little recipe secrets. So maybe you may not want to give me your recipe secret, but everybody has their own little tricks. Maybe you don't mind sharing. And I'm going to add the rest of the potatoes I have in here. I don't want to waste them. And I had a big bag of potatoes that they had grown the eye buds in them. They were growing eye buds, and I'm like, okay, it's time to peel these and figure out what to do with them. So I figured, okay, I'll use some of them. The potatoes that I was able to save, I peeled them. And the other day, about 2 days ago, I sliced them up into quarters and I put them in the refrigerator in cold water. And what that does is preserves the potato for you at least to use when you're ready to use it. As long as you're using it a few days afterwards, not weeks afterwards. But keep it fresh in your refrigerator. Now, another thing that I like about my potato salad is I like to mash my potato salad a little bit. I don't like all the pieces I don't like all the whole pieces. I like to have a little bit of it in there mashed. About 30% of the potato. I like to mash it up. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay. Alright. And I also have one more thing that I want to add into that potato salad. And I saw this in a video, and I think it was Tiana and Elijah's video, if I'm correct. That's the title, that's the name of the channel. And she was cooking, and you know, and I learned something from her. I learned you can also spice up your potato salad. She was using complete seasoning mix. I had never really noticed this in the supermarket. I saw it today, and I bought it. They had a large one, and they had this size. And it's called complete seasoning. And she added it to her. It wasn't potato salad she made. I think she made a macaroni salad, and she added it to that. And it smells really good. So I'm gonna add it, see how I like it. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. It smells good. Okay, and again, I like to mash about 20 to 30% of my potatoes. Don't like them all in whole pieces. And I think it helps to incorporate the flavor in there. Have all the flavors come together. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, maybe a little bit longer. And of course, some is going to be left over for overnight. And that's when the flavors really, come together. If you leave this overnight, and that's when it tastes best the next day. Okay. Now you can add green pepper if you like, but like I said, I added it last time and it really overpowered the salad, and I really didn't like that, so I left it out this time. Maybe next time I'll just put a little, and I won't put as much as I did last time. And again, it was about, for this amount of potato salad, this looks about cooked. This looks about 3 to 4 cups. I use again 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of vinegar, and about 2 tablespoons each of, let me just smell it. Yeah, that smells good. I'm going to put the rest of the diced vegetables in there. And about 2 tablespoons of red diced onion. And about 2 tablespoons celery diced, and 2 tablespoons of the roasted red pepper. Let me use the spoon because my hand is getting a workout and it's really getting tired. Alright. Yeah, this is how I like it, more or less. Yeah, I like the, because I like the creaminess of the potato in here. That's why I like to mash my potato salad part of the way. Oh. Alright, and I didn't add any salt. Because remember, I added a little bit of salt to the water when it was cooking the potatoes. There's a little bit of salt in the complete seasoning mix, so you really don't need a lot of salt in here. And I know some people like to add a little bit of sugar in their potato salad. I did it one time. I did it last time I made potato salad. No, actually the macaroni salad. But I don't want to add it in this one. Okay. And here we go. Okay, my arm got a real workout smashing up those potatoes and mixing this up. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to taste this. Okay, that's what it looks like. Hope you guys can see that. Let me see if I can bring it up closer. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to taste this. A little bit of the celery and roasted red pepper in there. Yeah. Okay, this is very good. I taste the vinegar in there, which is nice. It's nice and tangy. The red peppers, the celery, the crunch of the celery, and the crunch of the onion. It's perfect. So guys, I encourage you to make this, and if you do, let me know how it comes out. Thanks for coming.